What's up, everyone? Today I'm here to do a review on the Hover Camera X1. It's a brand new camera that just came out from a company called Zero. It's called either Zero. What's it actually called now? Zero Robotics, and they sent this to me to do a review on it. Basically, it's a camera. I'll show you guys in a second here. It's folds out. It's one of these. It's like comes in your pocket, fold out like this. And on here, as you can see, it's got the camera there, so whoops down. On here, it also has the, if you can see it, it's got like different modes. On here, it's got right here, it's got the hover. It's got follow me right there. Here, it's got what the heck is this one? Oh, no, this is zoom out part, guys. Zoom out, follow me, a bird's eye orbit. It also has a bird's eye view. And then on this one, it's got custom, so you can do custom. So basically, it in custom, it's got like two different settings. One has a dolly tracking, and the other one, I'm not sure what the other one is. I haven't tried it yet. But it also came with 2 batteries. There's already one in the drone already, and then it also comes with the second battery. But it also came with a hub, so you can charge 2 batteries at the same time. So yeah. Yes, so we're gonna go and try these out. Let's go see what this thing can do outside. Let's go. Well, guys, as you can see, the video shoots in 2.7K or 1080p. It also has, you can take photos with it. You can take it with you on camping trips. You could take it anywhere for vlogging. You could take it on vacation, go on your travels, anywhere you go. My honest review, guys, the best camera I've gotten. So thank you to Zero Robotics for letting me review this drone. I honestly will be using this drone a lot more in our vlogs, and I hope you guys check these guys out. They're called Zero Robotics. Right now they're doing a launch thing right now on their Facebook page. You can go check them out on their Facebook page. I'll have it linked in the description down below. And grab yourself one of these awesome drones. One of the best drones I've seen so far. It's probably better than DJI OSMO Action, in my opinion, because it folds. You can put it in your pocket and you can take it anywhere you want. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video. Hit the subscribe button to know when we upload every single time, and We have some more product reviews coming in the near future, so look out for some of those in coming days. So guys, until next time, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.